Canto from Tulsi Ramayana, it is known as Sundarakanda. Sundarakanda is so famous that very many people know it by heart also. In some houses they chant it every day. So this canto's name is Sundar. It's beautiful. Because as we go through Ramayana, if the mood of the Ramayana is sorrowful, we also cry. But when the mood becomes, bright and brilliant, we also become bright and brilliant. So therefore, that Sundarata happens in this canto. Therefore, the whole of Sundarkand is only about three things: Bhakti, Bhakta and Bhagavan. Bhakti, devotion. Bhakta, devotee. The one who has devotion is called devotee. The most beautiful thing that can ever happen to our life is when Bhakti enters into our heart. And this itself is the very purpose of the study of Sundarkand. Now naturally a question may come, whom does he love? So Bhagavan, the altar of devotion. That is Bhagavan. So in Sundarkand we will study the nature of Bhagavan, the nature of Bhakta and nature of Bhakti.
Śrī Rām, Jai Hanumān, Jai Śrī Rām, Jai Hanumān, Jai Śrī Rām, Jai Hanumān.